The hybrid cloud deployment model is more of a practical model for existing customers. We all know that most of the companies are currently having on-premise system. It is not a feasible option to completely go into one of these options like public cloud, managed cloud, or private cloud. The term completely, I mean like dumping your old on-premise system and transitioning to cloud options. SAP has realized this thing and they do not want their customers to completely go into the cloud options as of now. They want their customers to use these cloud models with the on-premises. SAP has provided various integration techniques to use these cloud models with the on-premise system. For example, SAP Cloud Connector. SAP Cloud Connector serves as a link between your on-premise and your cloud solution. So, the hybrid cloud deployment model refers to using your own premise system with the available cloud solutions. Hybrid cloud deployment model uses resources comprised of a mix of two or more distinct deployment models. There are no hybrid solutions by themselves. It is rather how companies orchestrate dedicated and cloud resources that create a hybrid cloud. This holistic approach to the consumption of IT requires a careful review of each application and data resource matching the right option to each application. By joining dedicated and cloud resources, businesses can establish an IT landscape that provides the best balance of convenience and security for the company.